One day, Riley decides to take a scenic drive. The graph below represents Riley's trip. So in this one here, we're supposed to come up with a story that matches the graph. And in this one here, I'm going to go ahead and start with the fact that Riley starts at 0 here. So Riley starts at home and then drives about, what is that, 7.5 or 8 miles away. So driving away from home and then gets to, let's say, lunch spot that's like 8 miles away from home. From there, afterwards, realizes, I'm not going to go to that spot because it's closed. So I'm going to drive to a spot that's a little bit closer to home. And then, okay, now we can sit down and have lunch. So they sit and they have lunch for her and her friend have lunch for, let's say, what is that? One, okay, 2/10 of an hour, I guess, whatever that is. Math is hard. And then from there, they're like, okay, good. Food was delicious. I'm now going to go home. And as they travel home, once they get really close to home, they realize that Riley forgot her wallet. And so, okay, let's drive all the way back to the shop to try and get that wallet. And as they go back to the shop, they're almost to the shop when Riley finds it under her seat in the car and so realizes, okay, I don't need to go all the way back to the shop, turns around and comes back all the way home.